Hello, Nathan Rufty here with Canopy Mortgage. Questions I get asked all the time: should I buy now or keep waiting for rates to come down? Here's the question that you actually matters. After the Fed's June meeting, rates actually went up. So when the Feds meet and raise the interest rate, that's short term. It doesn't increase or directly affect long term rates. And that signal is higher for a longer period of time at the moment. So instead of trying to guess where the rates are headed next, focus on something you can actually control: your buying power, your negotiating power when it comes to making an offer on a home. So here's the good news: cooler competition that comes out of the market means today's buyer often has the real negotiating and leveraging power to ask for price reduction, seller's concessions, more closing credits, maybe a longer escrow, maybe concessions to buy the rates down that simply weren't on the table a couple years ago and maybe even a year ago. So you lock in a home right now with an interest rate that might be slightly higher than what you're comfortable with. Right now, there's less competition. So if you get in now at a slightly higher interest rate, that means when the rates come down, you can refinance into a much lower interest rate. So today, look at your overall picture. Remember, the only person that knows that you can buy is you. Is this right for you and your family? Are you in a good financial position? Of course, also speaking with the licensed mortgage loan officer in the state of California, Arizona, Nevada, or Utah, I can assist you look over your financials, such as your income, your credit, and your assets, and give you some numbers on the papers, and you can look at and go, this might be a right time for me, or it's not. So you're going to make that determination, but do have that information on hand, your purchasing power when it comes to credit, down payment, and income for your debt to income ratio, and make an offer on a home. Go out there and see what's out there on the market. Connect with a realtor, and him or her can show you what's on the market based on your budget, based on what you and I talk about. But there's somebody that's going to know that they can buy is you. But this is a good time to buy. I have a realtor friend that always says it's a great time to buy and sell real estate. And she's absolutely correct. This is a good time to get in the market. Prices will maybe suppress a little bit, rates are a little bit higher, but when rates come down, home prices go up, and that's when you can refinance, and that's when you're going to have the equity in a home to refinance into a lower interest rate. So if you can budget for a home that fits your needs and your budget, this is a great time to buy, because you can ask for those sellers concessions that will give you money towards your down payment and or towards buying that interest rate down. My name is Nathan Rufty with Canopy Mortgage, and I love to connect with you and talk about your options on what you can do on purchasing a home in the state of Arizona, California, Utah, or Nevada. All my contact information is below: 909-503-5600, and I look forward in speaking with you.